So guys, it's been near about 4-5 days. The cycle is sitting in this room like this way. So now finally I get some time to test it. So before taking a ride on this electric bicycle, I'm going to inflate its tire using this Xiaomi air compressor. I think it's a portable air compressor. So let's pump it. On this front tire, as you see, it's written inflation to 280 to 450 kPa or 40 to 65 psi. Now here I attach this air compressor. It's 23 psi. Now let's pump some air up to 40 or 42 psi. 40 psi and stop. Back tire pressure is 9 psi. I'm going to pump it around 50 psi. This tire is a made in China tire. So many parts of this cycle is made in China. Their quality looks pretty good, but in long run, what's going to happen with these Chinese made in Chinese parts, I have no idea. Maybe they break out, maybe they last for years. That I can tell you after long-term use of this EMX cycle. So I'm super excited to test this bike. I don't know what you are getting, guys. How is the view? Let me know in the comment section below. On and turn. So wow! Holy crap! It's so smooth. So maximum speed goes up to 25. Pedal assist mode, it's trying 17, 18. Just change it to P. I just rode this bicycle for near about 10 minutes. It's feel amazing. Like I never ever rode something before. Here in the back we have light. I turn it on. Yeah, this light is blinking. Let's take another ride. Maybe I'll go back. Instantly 20 kilometers. Oh, this thing is amazing. You rode like wow. And the shocker works good. Like say on the front, as you see, guys, there is a bumper and I can take it easily without feeling any shock. Look at this. Oh, now on this positive here, this plus size is to increase the pedal assist. I'm on pedal assist mode 1. Now I can increase 2, 3, 4, here 5. Now I will drop pedal assist 4, 3, 2. I think 2 is good. Pedal assist mode 2 is good. And if you want to save some battery, just take it on pedal assist mode 1. It easily go up to 20-30 kilometers. So now I'm going to turn off the throttle assist. It's 0. Now I can drive by myself. And that will be a little bit. Okay, I'll go on this route. Or I can do just throttle. This is the throttle. 22, 25, 26. Oh, that's crazy. It's running on 26. 28. When you ride on pedal assist mode 5, you can feel the kick. You can feel the kick. It's just somebody is pushing me so hard. 27, 28. So maximum speed is 27, 28, I guess. That's a pretty good speed, damn good. I'm loving this bike, guys. It's so amazing. It's feeling happy. Now guys, I'm riding on a pretty bad road. There is so many potholes on the road, but it's smooth. The socket is working pretty good. As you see, guys. Look at this pothole. Okay. Now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ride a flyover without using pedal, just using throttle. I'm going to ride a flyover. Let's see if I can do or not. So this is the flyover. It's around, I think, 7-8 degree incline. So let's see. It's 21, 22 kilometers. 18, 17. it's flying without any problem. The best thing about this kind of motorcycle is that you don't need any kind of registration to ride it, and there is no way that traffic police give you challan for riding this electric bike. Yeah, 30. But guys, right now I am running on petrol mode 5, speed around 25 km/h. I am holding this selfie stick. It's pretty hard. I don't have any mount for this cycle, so I'm just holding this selfie stick and my GoPro. So guys, this bike is amazing. It's powerful, no doubt it's powerful. It can go up to 25-26 km/h easily. After that, the motor cut off. One more safety features of this bike is if you are riding, if you press the brake button, the motor will cut off. Some hero bikes don't have it, so that's a great feature. So right now I am just on throttle. It's giving me around 25.6 km/h constant. The power is, I'm loving the power. It's a 250 watt BLDC motor, but the power is good. Although this is my first electric bicycle, so I cannot compare. I will try to review another electric bicycle that are available on this market. Suspension works good on this kind of road, but on gravel roads the suspension is very jerky. If they provide some kind of hydraulic suspension, that will be amazing. But on this market right now, at this price point, no dual suspension bike with hydraulics. If you want to buy a bike just for riding on city, I think you don't need suspension. You don't need dual suspension. One suspension is more than enough. So what you guys can do, you guys can buy a cheap electric bicycle which costs you around 35,000 rupees. So if doesn't have any kind of suspension, you just add on. You can buy suspension from local market. It costs you around 500-600 to up to 1,000 rupees. The gears, the tires, the tube, the battery, the frame, all are built premium quality. Always made out of China, but you know guys, 80% bikes are made in China. India not making. The motor is from and the BLDC motor is from a company named Fog. I think it's Fog. This is one of the best motor producer company. So I don't have any complaint about this bicycle. Something I don't like about this bicycle is whatever plastic they are providing, it's not good, as this power button is already a little bit cracked, and the mudguard, they can provide a good quality mudguard. This mudguard not going to help in rainy season. This bicycle is IP65 resistance, so it's not completely waterproof. So be careful when you are riding this bike on rain. That can destroy your electronics or battery. The battery backup is great. I ride the bicycle for 35 to 40 km on Pagistali's mode. The video will coming soon. So guys, if you want to buy this bike, I'll leave a link of this bike in the description below. I probably give you some coupon code, so check the description. And guys, that's it for today. This video turns out pretty long, and I will make a separate video about my long time experience with this bike. Will be coming soon, and also do a video on long range test. So this video coming soon, so guys, stay tuned. And guys, that's being said, my name is Vijay. I'm signing out, and I'll meet you on my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, and peace out. My hand is hurting. I am just about to crash. Don't ride your bicycle like this way on highway. So guys, bye bye.